Hi, this is not a funny video and this is not gonna be another gym video. This is not gonna be a red pill podcast, so don't get the idea of it. But this is going to be a video in which I teach you boys how to look more attractive and look more fashionable. Hence the linen and hence the sunglasses, which I'm going to get rid of right now. Okay, so in this video I will share everything that I did to take myself from looking like this back when I was in high school and first year of college to something like this. So yeah, it was during my initial years of college that I gained the sense that I needed to look good. I did not have that sense back when I was in high school. So if you're someone who's 18 or 20 or 22 and you want to improve your looks and attractiveness, this video is going to help you a lot. So in this video, I'll be talking about 8 things that I focused on to take myself from a 4 to a 7. Yes, I consider myself to be at least a 7 on 10. So the first thing is obviously going to the gym. Going to the gym will definitely improve the shape of your body. So if you're skinny or if you're fat, no matter what you wear, regardless of how expensive the clothes is, how good the material is, it does not matter. Just think of your professor at college or school, they look like shit even though they're wearing really good quality clothes. Think about how an actor like Hrithik Roshan would look like, or an actor like Michael B. Jordan would look like if he wears the same t-shirt. So regardless of what you wear, your body will elevate your look just like that. And on top of that, going to the gym will give you a lot of confidence. When you build a decent looking body, when you build a muscular body, you will be more confident in general. So that really adds to your attractiveness. So if you're someone who's never been to the gym, I have made multiple videos for beginners to get started with gym. I've talked about the kind of diet that you need to follow, the kind of exercises that you need to do, and I will link every one of those videos down in the description box so you guys can go check that out too. Okay, so now you've been to the gym, you're building this really good looking body, the clothes that you bought are finally fitting well on your body, right? What next? And now comes the game of skincare. Yes, just like how you take care of your body, it's really important to take care of your skin. And that's why skincare is so important if you want to look attractive. So I don't want you to follow all this advanced 5-level skincare system and all those things. Just follow the basics. So this is exactly what you're going to do. So you're going to go to a dermatologist and you're going to ask them to suggest you a moisturizer, a sunscreen, and a face wash. So I want you to ask the dermatologist for a skincare routine. So they will probably take a look at your skin, and depending on your skin type, they will suggest you a sunscreen, a moisturizer, and a face wash. And after that, this is exactly what you're gonna do. So tomorrow when you wake up, what I want you to do is to wash your face with the face wash, and after you face your wash, I want you to apply and put on some moisturizer, and after that, you're gonna have to use the sunscreen that the doctor suggested. Sunscreen is the most important thing when it comes to skincare. You have no idea about the kind of damage that can be caused by sun rays and the sun generally. So even if you're gonna sit in your house for the whole day, I want you to put on that sunscreen. And after a few hours in the afternoon, just wash your face with water and then put on some sunscreen again. So that's your morning skincare routine. And we're gonna do this again before you sleep at night. So what I want you to do is that before you go to sleep, go to your washroom, wash your face with your face wash, put on some moisturizer, and then go back to sleep. That's all. So now we're done with our skin, but we're still not done with how our face looks. And that's why grooming is so important. I want you boys to get a haircut that matches the shape of your face, right? So that's about the hair on your head, and then comes your facial hair. So if you have a patchy beard, get rid of it. You will look like a homeless guy, so just trim it off or shave it off. It's so hard to do while covering. I can't do this. I'm done. Alright, the next important thing is sleep. Now, if you don't get at least 7 hours of sleep every day, everything that you did, going to the gym, taking care of your skin, grooming, none of it is going to pay out if you don't sleep. Why? If you don't sleep, you will have all these baggy eyes. If you don't sleep, your muscle will not recover. Yeah, everything is a waste of time if you don't get enough sleep. So get at least 7 hours of sleep every day. Okay, so here comes the most important thing when it comes to looking attractive, which is fashion. what you wear, how you dress up. This is one of the most important thing when it comes to looking more attractive. You can argue with me by saying that, oh, people should not judge you by, what you're wearing. I can wear whatever the fuck I want. But the truth is, people judge you based on what you wear. So before I tell you what kind of fashion style to focus on, let me tell you some fashion styles to avoid. The first one is obviously the baggy clothes. And don't come and be saying, oh, baggy clothes are very comfortable. Shut the fuck up. And the second kind of fashion style that you need to avoid is the one with a lot of stickers, graphics, and brand names. Don't wear those things. You look childish and you look like an idiot when you wear those. And finally, get rid of your toned pants and ripped jeans and toned t-shirts. It just makes you look like a homeless guy with no money and no home. So get rid of that too. So basically, minimalism is the way to go. We need to focus on basic clothes and then basic color combinations. So it's mostly about how you pair different clothes. Let me actually give you some examples. Out of recording myself wearing different outfits, but I don't know how to set this up. This is okay. Maybe. Let me see. I don't cut it. I'm so kind that I took this mirror from my sister's room to my room so that I can show you guys different outfits and how to mix and match different kind of clothes. So you need to understand basic color combination. For example, I'm wearing an olive green pant with a white linen shirt. White and olive green goes really well together, and white and black or white and very dark navy goes well together. Olive green and black goes well together. So I will show you guys a few example outfits right now. So yeah, this is again a white t-shirt. I think this is an oversized one. I bought it a while back. But, color combination wise, it goes really well with this pants, right? And when it comes to footwear, please do not wear Crocs. Wear something like this, some, simple basic shoe with a basic color or something like that too. And this is another t-shirt. This is more of a beige t-shirt with some kind of prints, but it looks really simple, but at the same time looks really good, and it goes really well with this color of pants and that color of boot, right? So this is a really nice casual outfit that you can wear. And another example of t-shirts, like I said, black goes really well with olive green pants. This is again a really classy and simple outfit, just a black t-shirt. Fits really well. If you have a good body, you can, fits really well. The band fits really well. It's not really tight. It's not skinny, but this is the kind of fit that you should aim for. This is very comfortable, but at the same time it fits really well. It's really comfortable, And now again, if you want to look a little bit more mature, polos are a great way to go. Polos are really classy. They're elegant. They make you look a little bit more mature if you have a decent looking body. Fits really well. And again, another color combination that I want to show you guys is this white or gray or off-white with black. Another color combination is maroon and gray or white. Goes really well together. Again, another example of a really playful and casual polo. This is more of a fashionable kind. If you notice, there are patterns in here, but the fit is really good. The quality is decent. Obviously, now you can elevate your game by going for a full sleeve polo, which if you have a good body and if it fits, there is nothing more classier than this shit. Again, the color goes really well. The fit is very good. So, this is something that anyone can wear. Now, if you have a really fit body, you can go for something really fashionable like this. Really shows off your muscles and everything. And you can also put on a sunglass to elevate the look. So this is something that you can go for if you have a really nice body. So again, fashionable, classy, and just looks really good in general, right? Go to the gym, work on your skin, pick the right outfits, understand the color scheme. It's easy. Watches are the coolest accessory that anyone can wear. Just don't buy a G-Shock that looks humongous on your wrist. Look for something simple, something elegant, something clean, something like what I'm wearing right now. Plus, wearing a watch tells others that you are a person who likes to be punctual, you're a person who values your time. And yeah, sunglasses. So if you're someone who's very confident, you can obviously go for a sunglass. And trust me, you look like $1 million when you're wearing sunglasses. Alright, so that was about fashion. Now again, coming back to personal hygiene, which is a very important thing when it comes to elevating your attractiveness. The easiest thing that you can fix is your breath. The number of times I have met cute girls and they had bad, stinky breath is crazy. It is an instant turnoff for everyone. So if you don't have an oral hygiene, there's no way you're gonna be attractive. So I want you to brush 2 times a day, 1 when you wake up and 2 before you go to sleep. And I also want you to carry a small mouth freshener if you can, so that after you eat something from a restaurant, you can use it to instantly, get rid of the smell. Talking about smell, fragrances and perfumes is the easiest way to kind of attract people. Because just think about it, when I see someone who smells really good, I obviously want to be close to them and spend more time with them just because of the fragrance. Now mind you, when I say fragrance, I mean cologne and perfumes. I do not mean deodorants. Get rid of deodorants, they're trash. Now how do you use a perfume or a cologne? So basically 2 skirts on your neck, 2 skirts on your abs, each side. That's all you gotta do. Now the last thing that you need to work on to take your attractiveness from a 6 to 11.5 is working on your body language. The amount of times I have seen really attractive, really successful people with very bad body language and very low in confidence is crazy. Now what do I mean by improving your body language? I want you to stand straight and I want you to learn how to sit straight. This instantly makes you stand out among others. Similarly, giving out hugs, a firm handshake also adds to your confidence and makes you more charismatic. And basic manners like saying thank you, using the word please when asking for some kind of favor really adds on to your attractiveness as a human being in general, regardless of your physical attractiveness. And I believe that these things really help me become a more attractive person in general, and I believe this will help you out too. So yeah, that's all I wanted to cover in this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and also subscribe for more videos like this. And if you have any doubts, you can DM me personally on Instagram or leave any comment down on the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Bye.